so fucking precious when you smile.
Welcome to the ghetto. You know I can't listen to it, but always use your fucking signal lights. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bro, come on. That's stupid.
Oh, he's right here. Oh.
Jesus Christ, Rabbit, you're insane.
Reloading. Bombs are right here.
Bet.
Oh god, bombs right here, Oh fuck, someone's behind me. Check the stairs. Oh god. Oh.
Bombs upstairs, you said?
No, it's like by the big ass hole. You got the flu.
They have a twin.
The best not to get killed.
Oh shit.
They're all in sight.
Oh, they're in my trap.
Yep.
Oh,
see.
my god.
Rabbit, he needs help.
Oh my god.
Let's go, boy.
To your left, there. Oh, they're resing.
Frisbee. I bet.
He rest already. Window.
Oh.
You're cracked. I say you're cracked. Oh my god.
Crack.
Oh. Oh, the crossover.
I straight up hit him with a Kobe in between the legs 360 fucking 3-pointer.
I'm convinced we're here just for moral support.
Pretty much.
You're gonna spawn peek.
10 seconds left.
Oh my, I can't do that.
Put it
No
right here.
balls. No balls. No ovaries.
Hurry up a little bit, hurry up.
No ovaries.
Located a bomb.
Alright, hold on, let me just munch on some Cheeto Puffs real quick.
Serio? No share? Woo! Hey, her first kill! Let's go!
It works.
That's right.
Oh, okay, Rabbit. Okay. Taking my leaderboard. I'm
Oh.
taking.
Nice.
Under Armour shoes, by the way. Ooh.
I got them Jordans
Like
on.
flex.
Everyone just be quiet, everyone's near me. Shh.
They have a buff.
Oh god, dude, they're in here. There's stairs. Oh.
Rabbit, no. Rabbit, go back. Oh, never mind. You're better.
It was so easy for you. They paid attention.
Fucking shit, dude, oh my
That's a
god.
dumb rush.
Hey, plants on, or diffusers on ping.
They have a gridlock. Oh, what?
Where's
That one's
that?
not off scanner right now. Sledge is
Got
out
him,
there. Oh, they have a
got him.
gridlock, yeah. Okay, I'm about to scan some right now once they come in.
Thank you, Cap Cam, but damn, my aim was off.
Someone exposed you.
Oh, some bitch. Fuck you, Jackal. Woo, let's go. Whoever's on that drone, you're doing a bad job.
What's up, guys? Recording this for like about the 5th time already. it's been so long since I talked to myself on a mic without, you know, doing it live. But yeah. This is old. I think this is when Lesion got his elite skin. It's around that time. I don't remember. But yeah, just Lesion I think will forever be OP. I don't really think you can nerf him. Because even I know that the goo mines disappear when you're like at a distance, but as long as you hear that sound, that's all you need. This game's all about sound whoring. So if you remember where you place your stuff and you actively tell your teammates off, obviously if you're communicating, when you hear that sound, you're golden. And yeah, I love Lesion. He will always be OP. I feel like he's broken or something, but I don't know. It takes a really good player to play him. I'm not saying I'm the best, but I have my moments. If you made it into the video this far, please leave a like. I'm not trying to beg like that cunt who's begging for $5. Or leave a dislike if you've seen better areolas than elatides, nipples. I don't fucking know. You know who I'm talking about. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next autistic video.